Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6D. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can enable or disable night light, schedule it and adjust it. Then we can enable and adjust splendid mode. Enable or disable low brightness DC dimming, smart screen, and change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Next we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change refresh rate between 60 Hz, 165 Hz and auto. Next we can change display size and text size. Enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Next we can change font style, animation speed, for window animation scale, transmission animation scale, and animator duration scale. Next we can change system color scheme, schedule it, and in advanced we can enable wallpaper tint in dark mode. Then we can manage upscaling for apps, enable quick settings panel style between stock and Asus optimized. Then we can adjust power button menu. We can enable more functions for status bar and change system navigation. Then we can enable or disable always on panel, lift to check phone, new notifications, wake screen. We can set screensaver and enable LED indicator. So that's quite a lot of options. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.